So I hope this helps you. If you're camping, you can make this calabasitas and ground turkey. It's really easy to make. Wrap it in a tortilla. You can make some potatoes and just makes a nice meal. Add your salsa verde and maybe a little bit of sour cream here, huh? Let's see. And I'm telling you, this is a great meal. And they have this new sour cream that's made with probiotics, which is kind of cool. You have a nice meal, you have a smoothie, you have an easy, nice meal, and next time you go out camping, invite me. I just require champagne, really. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to finish enjoying this meal. I have some leftovers for the rest of the week. Easy to make. Try it. I think you'll like it. Alright. Calabasitas with ground turkey and some papas with the smoothie. Alrighty. Talk to you later. Bye.